Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I'm rocking my official peach kicker tee today because, well, for one, I'm going to kick some peaches this week, and two, because I have something exciting to share with all of you. This is long overdue. Many of you have been asking for it. Finally, I give you the Rockford stickers and magnets. So I finally put these together along with these Heath Street peach kicker stickers. They're pretty sweet. I'm really excited about them. So I'm actually going to be offering these as a sticker pack. As you guys can imagine, stickers get expensive. So I can't just be giving them away for free all the time. So a sticker pack comes with a Rockford sticker, a Rockford magnet, a Heath Street peach kicker sticker, and a logo sticker. Head on over to my website and get yourself a pack. Click the link in my bio, click the shop, and there they are, ready for you to purchase and to show everyone how much of a peach kicker you really are. That's pretty good. Anyway, all right, so this weekend, guys, I went radio silent again. It was glorious. Took my dog swimming for the first time. She did great, although once she swam out to me, she kind of got terrified and then started to climb all over me and scratched me up like crazy. Like, she perfectly scratched my existing scar. I don't even know if you can see that. That's pretty intense. Also, you saw that I was working with the recurve bow this weekend, so not a crossbow, nothing like that. It's traditional recurve style. And it was only my second time using it, and my form was not great. So I actually clipped myself a few times with the string. Learned very quickly that my arm was in too close. My form is much better now. Oh, man, it was a great weekend. I hope you guys all had a blast. I hope you had great weather where you were. We did. It was great to get out, get some time in the sun, spend some time with my friend before she has a baby. I mean, she's due like any second now, I swear. She's got a few weeks, but still, you could pop at any moment, right? I mean, come on. Okay, guys, I got a busy week ahead of me. I got to kick some serious peaches. You go do the same. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.
Good job. Good job. She's absolutely cut me up.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I apologize for not checking in the past couple of days, but things have just been a little crazy. Days are getting away from me. Trying to keep up. Yesterday, Maddie and baby Georgie were here, and the two of them were just kicking peaches. I mean, mostly Georgie drools, but Maddie does good work. I have to say, I really love having them here. It's so nice to not be alone for a little bit, and they're great company. I really, really love the help, so that's awesome. So as far as t-shirts go and apparel, you guys remember that heat press snapped on me in 3 places. So I replaced it with this. Guys, this thing is kind of a really hunk of junk. It's a piece of crap. I despise it, and my goal is to return it. So I bought a new one. This is the new heat press. So I got this fired up yesterday, and about 2 minutes in, the computer failed. So thankfully, I'm now purchasing through a much more reputable company. So they already have replacement parts on the way out to me. No cost to me, which is great. As soon as I get this one up and running, this one is getting out of here, and I can't wait because it's functional, but it's a nightmare to work with. Like, I don't like you. I just don't, okay? I don't. But despite all those struggles, we're still kicking peaches, still knocking out orders. They're just moving along the board, getting stuff done. We've got a whole bunch of other stuff in the works right now that I'll show you guys once they're ready to go. Lots and lots of stuff happening around here. I'm working with a lot of different materials, and I know it's been confusing. Like, people say things like, contact Marissa at Heath Street Woodworking for your custom apparel. Like, what? She's a woodworker. Like, why would I go there? I know, it's confusing. So believe me, I'm in the process of making it more straightforward, less confusing for all of you. So some of you have seen that I've started to, like, hint at all of it, and I'm still not quite ready to announce, but I have some stuff in the works. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you've been buying from me, you've already started to see the changes, multiple changes. Big things are happening, which means there's going to be another Instagram account for you guys to follow. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. But when that happens, I'm curious, do you guys want me to continue to share all of this, like including the laser and stuff like that, on this account? Or do you want me to divvy it up and really separate the two? I mean, I know a lot of you are here for my woodworking, but also a lot of you are here for my journey, whatever that may entail. So I'm curious, you guys can let me know. I'll put a little poll thingy here somewhere. I don't know. I'm pointing, but as if I know where I'm going to place it. I don't. Anyway, I gotta get to work. I have a bunch of admin to get done. Not a lot of woodworking happening in the next couple of weeks. However, I promise there'll be some fun stuff happening next week that you guys are gonna be really excited for. Okay? So I'm gonna get to whatever I'm doing. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Yesterday got away from me once again. This week has just been mentally exhausting. But I know you all know how that's like, so I don't have to tell you. Today I'm working on a variety of things, finishing up some orders, getting some stuff out, stuff like that. Also, getting some new old products up on the website. So if you guys remember a while ago, back when I had my CNC, I used to offer templates out of MDF, and you could do custom templates, or I had pre-made ones available for sale on my website that I kept in stock. So guess what? They're back. But now, instead of being MDF, they are clear acrylic. So I have my bottle opener templates are back up for sale on the website. They are up there now. You can check them out. Yeah, they're 1/4 inch acrylic. If you need a custom design, hit me up. I can do that for you. Yeah, eventually I'll be adding more of the old things that I used to sell, like the handle template and beer flight template and stuff like that. So if there's something that you're looking for, let me know. I can do it. That's the thing. I can do it all now. I feel like I could just do whatever I want. I cannot. I promise you that. However, the maker in me is thrilled by the number of things that I can make now. Like, I don't feel limited anymore. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna go make some stuff. You go do the same, okay? Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Yesterday, once again, got away from me, but I'm not even mad about it because the water was absolutely beautiful and the sunset was amazing, and that's much better than remembering to do my stories. Sorry, not sorry. Today, working on a bunch of things once again. I've got Maddie here, and baby Georgie's hanging out down there in the pack and play, and they're both hard at work. And wait till you see what they're hard at work on. I won't show you exactly what they're doing, but this is a result of it. Oh my goodness, look at that sexy hat! Yeah, you can order these now. That's right. I have a bunch of all black ones in stock. I also have charcoal in black and maybe some others. I don't know. DM me, but whatever color you want, I can make it happen. Maddie can make it happen. We got this. We're like tag teaming this like pros. And if you're not into this style hat, don't worry, I can get more. I have a whole catalog. Yeah, I've been busy, people. Really, really busy. So, because I'm so busy, I'm gonna get off of here and get back to work. Have yourselves a great day. I'm not even gonna lie and tell you that I'll check in later because, well, I've really just been lying to you all week about that. So maybe I'll see you, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just see you on Monday. Maybe I won't. Don't judge. Bye.